up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have a new subscription box to my channel. I was shopping in the geeky section on Cratejoy, and I found a box called Thor Crate. Now, you guys know I love Thor, so when I looked at the box and saw what it was all about, they had various different, like, Marvel characters, Avengers, all of that kind of stuff that I absolutely love. Now, you guys know that the Heroes Tower mystery box is hands down my favorite mystery box that I get in the geeky area. The KOL Fandom Monthly is a very close second. I love that box as well. And I thought, I'm going to go ahead and try another one and see what they have to offer and see if they have different things from what I get in those two boxes. So without further ado, let's see what this Thor crate is all about. Okay guys, just to give you a little bit more information about this subscription box, I did get it from Cratejoy, and they do have two different options. One of the options was a light version, and then they had, I think it was called an XL version or something like that. I got the light version because I wasn't sure if I would like this one or not 100%, even though all of the pictures I saw of previous boxes were amazing. I still wanted to make sure that I would like this one before I upgraded or extended my contract. Like, I just got the 3-month for the light to see if I really like this. And if I do, then I might upgrade and then continue to get it every single month. We'll have to see how this first box goes. Okay, guys, so with all of that information, let's go ahead and take a look at the box. So right on the top here, it says Thor Crate. How awesome is that? It's got Thor's hammer. So cute. Loving the packaging so far. It is a very small box. Now, this one I paid $20 a month for, plus shipping and handling. I think it comes out to like 27 bucks total for this box here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh. Here you go. Here's a little sneak peek. And then they're calling it Geek Crate. But on the Cratejoy website, it's called Thor Crate. So whatever. They have a little flyer in here called Geek Crate. Maybe that's something else that they're trying to promote. I'm really not sure. It says, thanks for your order. We hope you enjoy your box. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to get in touch with us at hello@geekcrate.co.uk. Oh, they're from the UK. So, they have other mystery boxes. Oh, okay. Well, I am going to visit their website because it looks like I can get 10% off if I visit their website and get one of their other boxes. So we'll have to see how I like this one, and I'll go from there. Oh, right on the top, we have a tote. Okay, what is it? Oh, yay, it's an Avengers tote. I kind of like that it's a toned down version. Kind of, sort of. I'm not really sure if I like that or not. If I want the bold colors and everything like the Avengers are. But this is really cute. I'll definitely use it. Again, I don't know if you guys watch any of my other videos, but I always use these for decorative storage. So I'll definitely get some use out of that. Oh, stop it. How cute. It's a Lego version of Captain America, but it also has Thor's hammer in here. So that's kind of cute. I don't know. Why does it have Thor's hammer, but it's Captain America? I don't know. But anyways, I hope that you guys are going to see this. I'm not going to take it out of the pack because I'm going to have to put this little guy together. And I will probably do that and then pop a picture in for you guys so you guys can see it. But that's super cute and super fun. And that's going to look awesome in my geeky area. So I'm already liking that I'm seeing different things than I get in Chad's box because I wanted a variety. That's the only reason why I tried this box out. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. Oh, Marvel Comics. It's a badge pack. So you get a whole bunch of different little badges. So we have Iron Man, Incredible Hulk, Thor, Spider-Man, and Captain America. That's fun. Look at that, guys. That is going to be so fun in my crafting. Now, these are different than anything I've ever gotten from Chad. So again, I am loving this box so far. I'm just saying. All right. Awesome. So what else do we have here? Oh, it's Deadpool. Deadpool is my least favorite Marvel character. I'm just saying. But, it's fine. It's a keychain. He's not my fave. Definitely not my fave. Definitely not, one that I rave about. But hey, there it is. Cool. So I definitely don't have anything Deadpool, and I'm okay with that. All right, so then we have some Doctor Strange trading cards. Oh, that's fun. Look at that, guys. I'm not going to open it right now, but because I'm going to do a short video on this, and then I'll pop everything open for the short video. But yeah, that's awesome. So that's definitely something cool that I don't get in Chad's box. That's awesome. What is this? Guys, this is really cool. So these are coasters. And I see the Avengers. And it has Iron Man. Hold on. What do we have here? Ooh, it's going to fall. Oh, you get 2. Okay, so I have the Avengers logo. Look at that, guys. That is so cool. And I do love that these are neutral. This will go with any of your home decor. If you're a geek like me and you want to put these out in your house like I will, that is awesome. And then we have Iron Man. Awesome. That is super cool, you guys. So I got 2. That is fun. Now that's definitely something unique and different. Again, that I can't find in Chad's box, that I haven't found in Chad's box. Not that he couldn't get this stuff. I just like the fact that they're thinking of different things. Oh, these are like real pictures. This is cool. Okay, so the first one is the Avengers Endgame. Look at this, guys. Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay, so I just got some new stuff to set up for my geeky area, and this is going to be so cool inside of there. I'm really excited to have these photos. That is cool. Okay, this is awesome. Dude, look at the spider. Oh my gosh, this Spider-Man one is awesome. I'm working on a Spider-Man area. Now, I just said this in the last video that I had when I was doing the Heroes Tower Mystery Box unboxing. Guys, this is going to be perfect. Look at that. That is such a great photo. Oh my God, I love it. I mean, I love it. That is so cool. Okay, I'm really excited about that. And Black Panther. Oh, that's a good one, a Black Panther. Look at that. Yes. Guys, this is really cool. Okay, so I'm loving it so far. I am loving it so far. Okay, guys. So that's all that I got in this box for this month. And again, this was the Thor Crate Lite. They do have a Thor Crate XL where you can get more items. And I'm not sure if you get like bigger items like the mugs and all that other fun stuff. I'm really not sure. So I may upgrade to that one. Not really sure yet. We'll see how the other 2 boxes are once they come. And if I really like them, then I may upgrade to that other one and get like a longer term. I think they had a 6-month and a 12-month option. So if I do decide that I like this, then I will probably grab that bigger box. All right, guys. And just please don't forget about the Heroes Tower Mystery Box. It is one of the best, I mean, to me, it is the best geeky subscription box out there. So make sure that you guys check that one out. I have links to both Thor Crate and the Heroes Tower Mystery Box in the description box below. Both of them are available on Cratejoy. That's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! So when I looked and saw what the box was all about, it had various different things like Avengers and Marvel and all kinds of superheroes and really cool stuff. Some different stuff that I, had, I was good until then. All right, try it again. I found this one on Cratejoy in their geeky subscription box area. And you guys know how much I love my Heroes Tower Mystery Box. It's one of my favorite. I'm messing up. And once I do that, I can't get it back. So try it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have a new box to my channel. I was shopping on Cratejoy in their geeky subscription socks. Yeah, there. Awesome. Try it again. So I picked the one that was the light version because I first wanted to see if I liked it before I went ahead and got the whole thing like, okay, hold on. Okay, guys, just to give you a little bit more background about the subscription box, I did find it on Cratejoy, and when I saw it, okay, hold on, I didn't say it right.